Now, do you have a cat? Did you know it could be called to give evidence? Hi, I'm Simon Lippenaar and I'm an attorney. Like all good professionals, I like to keep abreast of legal news from around the world. Some legislation has a way of spreading from one jurisdiction to another. Sometimes South Africa is a pioneer. We were one of the first countries to introduce same-sex marriage. Other times we follow the lead of others. So knowing what's happening globally helps me keep on the front foot. This story from overseas is unlikely to influence legislation anytime soon, but I thought it was interesting and worth sharing with you. Forensic scientists at the Flinders University in Adelaide, Australia, have discovered that domestic cats are covered in human DNA, mostly from the people they live with. This is hardly surprising, given the tendency of cats to curl up in our laps and the human predilection for stroking them. The research paper raises the prospect of DNA samples from cat fur being used to prove a person was present at a crime scene. However, the reverse could also be true. Human DNA found at a crime scene might have been deposited by a cat whose owner had nothing to do with the crime. So we are unlikely to see our pets being called as witnesses just yet. More research is definitely needed, but technology advances all the time. If DNA found on a cat is a match to a person of interest in a criminal investigation, it just might help solve a crime in future. Whether or not you have cats or if you need an attorney, you can give me a call on the number in the signature below.